The stock market is rigged, but today, if you're using rigged AI, absolutely crushed it, trading SPY and a little bit of QQQ. Let's jump right in. Rigged is the options trading system for degens and lets you copy trade Wall Street's option flow. All right, starting off, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 Komodo bulls. High win rate, probability, and just look at this, right? Do you make money? Do you make money? Absolutely. IV was high, didn't get 100%, but you made money. Stomp out here, you can take it again one more time, and this goes for 59%. Interesting thing here. So that's Komodo bulls. Look what happens when the bears come in. 1, 300% max gain, 12% drawdown. 2, almost 300%, no drawdown. So remember, the cool thing about using rigged is everything that you see here, blue, that's our highest, best alerts, highest win rate, they have edge. You could have crushed the move up, gotten 50%. You're not losing money on any of these, right? You're not losing money. And then it switches to perfect tags of the move down. When Wall Street comes in right here, the win rate is 45.76%. It has edge. And oh my gosh, you get 300 max. From there, 3-strike rule, especially on SPY. You get down to 548. And this is what, 1130? I know you see this. I know you see this. I know you see this. But just know we are, volume is 115%. Very normal. It's unclear what's going to happen. Could be a trend day. But all of these are like this is so incredibly late. Even if you're just looking at it, so you're looking at it live, we don't have any other information. It's like you never want to take this trade unless you can get a really good entry. It comes down to like, hey, why weren't I in this right here? Now there are times, obviously, this is 58.82% of the time. We keep going down lower from here. But still, you have to hedge for the fact you don't know what's going to happen, and you're already super low. And it's like even these here, like this is late, dude. Like you wanted that above 548. This is getting bearish at the bottom, which is not something that you want to do. Didn't trade this part perfectly. I made a little Costco run midday, but this is really great. So one, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 bulls all down here, and this 548. That's the red. That is like, hey, if you break that and head to 547, then we're going even lower. It doesn't do it, right? It does not do it, and these crush it. Even here, chasing the move up, boom. I mean, you're getting 100% in an hour. Absolutely amazing. But the big thing here, this is like the lesson, guys. This is what you got to pay attention to. We move up 3, and you're right at the blue. Notice, as soon as we start approaching that area, the bears start coming out. You get a bear lotto. And all in this time, right, you have, what is this? 1347 to 1500, a little over an hour. You have all this time to break the blue and fly past 551. It doesn't do it. You're not getting bull bombs down here. And you get this little mini nuke, okay? This lotto, oh, how can I click on it? Click on it. Anyway, this lotto did really, really good. And it's like, if you just waited and you were like, hey, I want to hit this at 551, I mean, you're making 300% in a couple minutes. Rest of the session, it's like, whatever, right? You could have made this. I mean, it's 100%, 19 minutes, barely any drawdown. But like, that's not what we want to focus on. You can always do this. There's always going to be winners and losers. But how you should use the product, use rigged, and how you should judge it is based on this. Like, these are our best alerts, and every single one of them, right? You made money. Actually, there's two. This one, break even, right? 35% all the way over there. I mean, you're hitting that. Said it was early. Break even, make 20%. And then, are you really going to trade these? 1, 2, 3? We're all the way down there. Are you going to do it? No. It's late. Don't be late. Don't be late. Don't be late. Let's look at the Q. Looking at the Q, not as good. And the reason why, volume's low, hard mode. You know, we're already telling you, probably mean reversion, profit target 20 to 50%. Okay, so let's look at this thing. You open, you get two bears right away, and they never have a chance, right? They never have a chance. That's okay. Here, you're already in the red. Like, is that something you want to take? Is it? I don't know. How does this do? You know, max gain, 52%. That's pretty good. Probably draws down here. You don't get another Komodo alert until right here. You gotta know when this thing is nuking, just let it happen. You don't want to try and bounce it until you get to the blue. If you fail at the blue, wait until 3 strikes down or more. This was a unique session where, hey, right here, you get to the blue and they said, no, 459, that is the bottom. You would have loved to see a bull bomb in here. Didn't happen, but we took this one at the gym. Awesome trade. You know, 101%. I think we topped out at 130 or something like that because we bought the 462. But then someone asked, like, why don't these win? Right here. And you just have to come back and like look at the chart, dude. You just moved from 459 to essentially 462, 3 strikes in what time is this? 13:31 to, in 30 minutes. So these are so late. I mean, if you took them a little bit later using KTR, you could have made a little bit of money. But you just have to know, like, when we get to the third strike and it does not blow through it, it is going to kill you. And it's the same on SPY right here. And same on SPY and QQQ. Plenty of opportunities to blow through. And you just have to know, if you're in this thing and it does not go, you are going to get killed. And that's exactly what they did, right? They nuke it, it comes up. You end up closing, 2 strikes higher. Absolutely nothing. Here's what I mean on SPY, right? Same thing. You're right at the blue, has every opportunity for an entire hour to break it, but it doesn't. Let's look at the last 0 DTE action of today, IWM, which has been really great to trade, actually. People, what's the rule? 3 strikes, perfect example. You open 213.57, 213, 212, 211, right? That's basically your third strike. And it does not go lower, right? It doesn't break the third. And if you were here trading it, a little bit of a nasty drawdown, but 100%, because you're getting above 212. That was a session. Was it difficult? overall, you got to come back and just like look at the chart, look at the feed. All of these are winners, obviously. And then, you take this, you let it run. You get to 3 strikes down. It's red. Don't trade it. Could have caught the move up, could have caught the move back down, but really, you're taking this early, you're taking these here and this here. That's it, people. Tomorrow, option expiry. It should be fun. What are they going to do? We can't wait.